Today I'm going to show you how to delete generated audio in ElevenLabs quickly and safely if your library is getting cluttered with old outputs, test clips, or audio you no longer need. This is the easiest way to clean things up and keep your workspace organized. This tutorial is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect, whether you're using ElevenLabs for voiceovers, content creation, or voice testing. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account using your normal login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to open either text-to-speech or voice changer, depending on where your generated audio was created. These are the areas where ElevenLabs stores your recent outputs and lets you manage them. After that, look to the right side of the screen and click the History tab. This will open the History panel where you can see previously generated audio files. If you've used the tool a lot, this panel can fill up fast, so this is the section you need for cleanup. Now, on the right side of the search bar, click the Manage History icon. This is the control that gives you editing options for your saved history items. Once the management options appear, you can start selecting the voices or generated audio items you want to remove. Take a moment here to carefully choose only the files you actually want deleted, especially if you have multiple similar clips saved. After selecting the voices you need to delete, look for the delete icon and click it. ElevenLabs will remove the selected generated audio from your history, helping you free up space and keep your account neat and easy to navigate. If prompted, confirm the deletion so the selected items are permanently removed. And that's it. Your generated audio has now been deleted from ElevenLabs. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can keep your history organized without wasting time searching through old files. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.